Good evening all. Let's start the session. Only 3 people join. Maybe they will join whenever they get a time. So we will start our session with are you all able to hear me? Please write on the chat mode that if you are able to hear me. You can write on the chat mode that you are able to hear me so that I can proceed. Okay, so I'm starting. So we are starting out the second chapter, that is price pattern analysis. Okay, this is called chart pattern, or we can call this as price pattern analysis. In this, we will see the patterns that what we form. That's this all pattern we have to do the analysis on the end of the day, and based on this chart pattern, we have to take a trade for positional and for the swing trade, or maybe some mostly it's for the swing trade, or positional hold. Swing trade is for that is for 1 week, or it can be a 2 week. The positional hold, that is Jagdish, you have to connect, all are able to hear. You have to connect your audio from the laptop. All are other are able to hear, so you have to connect your audio. Otherwise, you disconnect and you rejoin again, because I got the confirmation of 3 people that they are able to hear. So you just take, you just disconnect and connect again. Okay, so this is called as chart pattern analysis or price pattern analysis. Both the meanings are same. That here we will see the 8 types of patterns, that when this kind of patterns are formed, that how many days you have to hold the trade, then how many days you can expect a target. Some are positional trade, that is head and shoulder. In cup and handle, they are the positional hold, that is it's holding for 1 month to 2 months. Flag and pole, the flag and pole is for 1 week. Double pot, triple bottom, they are less than a week. Channel and rectangle pattern, that is also for 1 week. This is both are all most of 3 to 8, all they are positional, all they are swing trade, that is for 1 day to 1 week. The first two are the positional hold, that is for 1 month to 2 months. So how to see here, head and shoulder pattern is like that, is the same like our body. It will have a 2 shoulder, that is right shoulder, this is left shoulders, and the head should be above the both the shoulder. Other, please mute your channel, please mute so that nobody get disturbed. That's a Vivek More. Okay, all are right now mute. So head and shoulder pattern is same like our body. It will have a 2 shoulder, that is right shoulder and left shoulders, and a head should be above both the shoulder. So how to interpret it, that first the stock will go up, and then it will come to down. It will touch the previous bottom, then stock will make a new high, and then again it will touch the previous bottom, same bottom, and then from the same bottom it will make a high same as the right shoulder high, and then it will come again touch the neckline. Touching of all these 4 points is compulsory. Without this, it's not be a confirmed head and shoulder pattern. When all this are joining, then a line is drawn, that is called a neckline. This is a neckline. A neckline need to be broken. When neckline is broken, the stock will fall. Now what should be the target and what should be a stop loss? The first target should be the length of the height of the shoulder is your stop loss, and height of your shoulder should be your target, and second target should be this height of the head. And so the height of the head will be your second target. Now the important thing that you have to consider in head and shoulder pattern, that between between all the 3 things, that is shoulders, head and left shoulders, it should come after 15-20 days. It should not come after 3 days or 2 days. At least a minimum 15 days gap is required. At least from here, we will repeat again. Don't worry. From here to here, at least minimum 15 days is required. Max, it will be max 20 days, 25 days. Then it's also too good. But less than that is not required. Same thing between the head and left shoulder. Minimum 15 days is required. Then it's your confirmed head and shoulder pattern. So what is telling that there's a bull was running, then it came down. Again, some bulls rain come and again it's touched the bottom. And it's touched it made a high, then it's touched the bottom. Here the bearish will take a control, and when this line is neckline is broken, the sentiment of the bearish will take control over the bullish. So from here the stock will fall, and it will first that it will touch your target is the length of height of the shoulder is your first target, and the second target is the height of the head. And it will take how many days? So from here to here it taken 15 days. So same from here to here coming get bottom, it will take 15 days, and from here to shoulder it will take another 30 or 40 days. So head and shoulder pattern is for positional hold. So again I'm repeating, in head and shoulder pattern, the stock will make a rise. It will make a one shoulder rise, and it will make a one right shoulder. Then it will come down. It will touch the previous bottom, and from previous bottom it will go and make a new high that will become your head. And from that head it will make a fall, and it will touch the previous low. And when after the previous low, again there's the bull run will come, and it will make a high same as per the shoulder high, and from shoulder it will again down the previous low. So it touching the bottoms how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. So here we need to consider this first, second, third. So it's a triple bottom is formed. A line need to be joined here. So this will become your neckline. Neckline need to be broken. When the neckline is broken, the stock will fall. The height of the length is your first target, and height of the length should be your stop loss. And when the height of the length is achieved, your second target should be the height of the head. And then you need to use a trailing stop loss. Okay, here the minimum thing is that from this to this, it should require 15 days. Forming shoulder to head, it should be minimum 15 days. And again from here to here, it should be 15 days. When the level is broken here, at that time, volume should be high. The volume should be high. This is line, the line which is drawn here is the average line. Is the average line coming? So it should be above the average line. So when it's breaking, the average line will come. It will be of a red volume, a red candle. That's a histogram. So it's again giving a double confirmation. You can go for short. That's a positional hold. So this way you have to trade. What if it's cross R level? What is mean by R level? If it's cross R level, no issue. It should not cross the head. It should not cross the head. That's the one thing. It sometimes it may happen that it can go here, then again it's touching the bottom. But head is above. This is again your right shoulder. That is a smaller head. This is again this is smaller rise. This is again a big rise. But the head should be above both the shoulder. That is the one thing. So if you like this, if it's making this one, and if it's touching this one, okay, this can be an inclined head and shoulder. Okay, inclined head and shoulder, the stock is rising. If this is broken, the stocks will fall. The way here this is broken, the stocks will fall and it will come down. And next we will see this is a head and shoulder pattern for the incline that I drawn on in month of, this is on month of May. I drawn near about 22nd of July, 22nd of May. I created this head and shoulder pattern, that is stock makes a high, it touched the same bottom, it made a new high, then it touched the same bottom, it made another high corresponding to the shoulder, and then it touched the same bottom, and the neckline is drawn and it's broken. At that time it was trading around 260. This height was around a 30 point, and this was around 70 point. Right now it's trading around 220, and it's already broke, it's went to 190. And so I drawn on May, June, July. So in 2 months from 260 it came to 190. What was the height of the head? The height of the head was around 260 plus 260 minus 340 was 80 point, and it's given the profit of 70 point when the level is broken. So head and shoulder pattern, so getting at 70 points taken more than 2 months. So head and shoulder pattern should be used for positional hold. It should not be used for it should not be used for 2 to 3 days. And same thing required from here to here, minimum 15 days. From here to here, it should be minimum 15 days. If it's maximum, then it's good. If it's coming after 1 month also, that is good. But this is for positional hold. Now there's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Same thing, it's a inverse. That's it's making the bottom, and then it's coming, it's touching the top, then it's making a lower bottom, and then it's again touching the previous top, and then it's touching the it's making the bottom near to the same first shoulders, and then it's touching the top. So all tops you have to join by line, that will become your neckline. When the neckline is broken, you have to buy. And same thing, the height of the shoulder is your first target, and height of the shoulder is your stop loss. How many days is taken? It's taken near about minimum 10 days. So you can expect a 10 days to achieve this much target. And how much time is taken? It's taken more than 20 days. So same thing you can consider from here. So here to achieve this target, it will take 20 days. So this way, inverse head and shoulder pattern should be used. Inverse head and shoulder pattern is for buy. Head and shoulder pattern is for sale. Any question related to head and shoulder pattern? Any question related to head and shoulder pattern? One second, the few people they're asking for meeting request. I already share, but people don't join. Please wait a second. What does it mean by 4-hour close? That I'm not able to understand what is related to this question. We will stick to the price pattern analysis only, then we will take another question. We will not take any further question. First of all, we will learn the price pattern analysis, then we will see the question. I'm not able to understand your question. 4-hour close. Yes, it is applicable to Nifty and Bank Nifty also. It was written in previous slide. Yeah, it is just is taken from the image. I was not getting any inverse head and shoulder pattern from any stock, so I taken from the Google. So it's they have taken the 4-hour charts, but in my analysis I'm not taking any 4-hour chart. I'm only taking a daily chart. So yeah, the inverse head and shoulder pattern is confirmed on 4 hours close above the neckline. Here it's only referring the same thing that this candle, okay, this candle, that this bigger candle closes above the neckline. So and this is maybe 4-hour chart. So this is closes above the neckline. So that's why it's broken the neckline. So it's become a buy call, and then this is your be a stop as a stop loss. So but for EOD analysis, most of the thing that we have to use of a daily chart. Now we are moving to our second cup and handle pattern. This cup and handle pattern, that in the cup and handle pattern, the cup shape is forming and there is a handle is formed. How to see how to see cup and handle? Here the stock is falling from last many days, and then the stock start rising up and up and up. So it's forming a cup, and from the cup, then again it start falling down. It should fall down to 1/3, 1/4, or less than 1/2. It is good. Then again it's touching the previous top. So this is the first top, and this is the second top. So again you have to join a neckline. When the neckline is broken on the upside, that is you have to take a buy call. So what should be your target and stop loss? The height of the handle is your first target, and the second target is the height of the cup. It's your second target. This is we drawn near on the last 28th or 29th of April. It was trading around 1185, and from March to April, so it's taken 2 months to come here, and now it's trading. Now it's a July, so it's a May, June, and July. So it's completing 3 months. Now it's trading around 1480. It's made a high of 1465 or 1470. So based on this cup and handle, you have to also consider the days, how many days it's taken from the cup height to made a handle. So that many days you have to wait for target to achieve. And first target should be the height of the handle that can be achieved on the day, on the days is taken 4 to 5 days. Same day, when it's broken, within a 4 or 5 days it touched to 1230. So days are important, how many days is taken to form a handle, and days are important, how many days is taken to form a cup. Same days it will take to form a target. It's a cup and handle, same thing. In it's just one chart for the reference purpose. Here the cup shape is formed, then the stock is fall down by 1/3, then stock start moving up. You have to draw a neckline, that's an inclined neckline. The neckline is broken by the body. The height of the handle should be a first target. Height of the handle should be your stop loss. When the height of handle target is achieved, move a trailing stop loss to buy price. Then your second target should be the height of your cup. So this way your cup and handle should be used. Now stop loss, I told you, Prashant. First is stop loss. First stop loss is the height of the handle. If the height of handle is 20 rupees, your 20 rupees should be your stop loss. Okay, when suppose trading at 200 and height of handle is 20, so 180 should be a stop loss. When your target is achieved by 220, then move your trailing stop loss to buy price, that is 200. If suppose the height of candle is 60, so your next target should be 200 plus 60, that is 260 rupees. It's trading at 220. Now your trading stop loss should be 200 and your target should be 260. So how many days is taken? It's taken 15 days. Same thing. You have to wait for 15 days to get that target. Right? I suppose I clear your question. Now we are moving to Aman Sharon and maybe SN96. Okay. Okay. Now flag and pole pattern. There's one more question is coming. Okay, Aman Sharon, you missed a 2 point that we will see cover. Aman, and who is SN96? I'm not able to get SN96. He's named as SN96 in Telegram. You just write down, you just drop me your name. I have not stored your name. It's showing SN96. I'm not able to figure out SN96. Okay, now we are moving to flag and pole pattern. In the flag and pole pattern is a very short term, a weekly return call. Only thing you have to find out the stocks which is rising from last many days. You have to find out the stocks which is rising from last many days. So that stock you have to remember that it can form a flag and pole pattern. Now here the stock is rising from last many days. Then stocks start moving in consolidation zone. It's moving up and it's going down. It's moving up and going down. So here what you need to do, you need to join a higher top. That is your resistance, and you have to join a lower bottom. That has become your support. So this has become your flag. Now this is your pole, this is your flag. So how to trade? Whichever side is broken by the body, suppose it's broken by the body on the upside, so you have to buy a call. Your stop loss is the height of the pole, height of the flag is your stop loss, and height of the head should be your target, and this target will easily achieve in a 1 week. Okay, whenever you are achieving, you have to book completely, fully. You have to book, you don't have to book partly, you have to book fully. And if it's crossing downside, then you have to sell. This is your target, and this is your stop loss. Okay, so when the flagell pole of this Pidilite broken on the 1123, it made a good high. It's touched near about 1180 when this chart was prepared. Same thing on the Mindtree. The stock was rising from last many days, then stock start moving in range. Now what you need to do, you need to create joining a higher top, and you need to joining a lower bottom. This is your resistance, this is your support, then height of the flag is your stop loss, and height of the flag is your target. Whichever side is broken, if it's broken on the upside, you have to buy. If it's broken on the downside, you have to sell. And height of the flag is your target, and height of the flag should be your stop loss. You can easily get this target within a 1 week, within a 5 days. When you're getting this target, if it's a Mindtree, it was drawn near about on month of March, and within a 2 or 3 days it touched 1100, and that we booked the profit. So flag and pole pattern is a swing trade. Whenever such kind of pattern is formed, you have to take a trade, and whenever the flag target is achieved, you have to book completely. You don't have to wait. So this is the way flag and pole pattern should be used. And always remembers, any of this cup and handle pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern, you have to put a double confirmation here in the volume. Okay, volume is a double confirmation here. This is a line is passing, this line is passing, is called an average volume. Okay, average volume. If it's breaking on the downside, it will be of red color, and it should be above the average. If it's crossing on the upside, it should be of green candle. It should be of green color, and it should be above the average, because that day the volume will become a decisive, and crossing the if it's crossing a downside, that candle below closing here, it will become important, and volume will give a double confirmation. Volume play important role in the stock analysis. What should be time period for average volume? Time period, I'm not able to get the question. Time period, nothing related to the average volume. The average volume, since they calculate automatically, it's coming in the graph. So average volume, if you're taking a daily chart, whatever days are plotting, they will take it. If you're taking a 15 minutes chart, the 15 based on 15-minute chart, the software will calculate, and it will form a one average line. So it's common by default, it's a daily chart. So based on daily chart, whatever the days are they are taking, the software will calculate, average line will comes, and that day will become an important day when it's breaking the level. Same day, in every chart, whenever the support resistance is broken, you have to check the double confirmation with the volume. It should be high with the average volume. Average volume come with the plotted line in the graph. That should be, you have to use. And it is, you can use it on the trading view, because we are doing this as a EOD analysis. I don't know whether it's available into Zerodha. It is available in trading view website. So we are all doing the EOD analysis. So EOD analysis, you can use the chart from there, and you can do the analysis. Will you teach how to give a command in chart? I'm not able to get which type of command you are telling, Aman. Which type of command you are telling that this should be used? What is the specific question? I'm not able to understand. Can you clarify which type of command you are thinking to use in charts? Once the questions will come, so we'll proceed further. Like these two parallel blue line, this is, I just taken the high, and I just taken the bottom. This is, I created a support line showing the volume. Let's take an example. Okay, first of all, we'll take an example, and then we will see. Right now we covered the three pattern. We covered the three pattern. I will take a brief here to all of you, those who joined late. That's Sagar and Aman who joined late. Head and shoulder pattern. And I will take it on of this is head and shoulder pattern, that it is used for positional trade. It's like our body. Our first shoulder is formed, then it's touch the previous bottom. It make a new high. It's like a head, that our head is very above the shoulder. Then it's touch the previous bottom, and then it make a high near to the right shoulders, and then it touch the previous bottom. By joining this line, it's called a neckline. And once the neckline is broken, you have to take a trade on the bottom side. You have to take a trade on the bottom side. The target should be the height of the head should be your target. First target, the height of the shoulder should be a first target, and height of the head should be your second target. Height of the shoulder should be your first stop loss. When that is achieved, then your buying price should be second stop loss to get a target of head. This is a positional trade. Minimum days is required from one shoulder to head. Its minimum is required 15 days, and from here to here minimum 15 days is required. Whenever this line is broken, at that time your volume should be above the average volume. That is a double confirmation. It's a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Don't look at to 4 hours chart. Here it's making a bottom, it's touching the previous top, it's making a lower bottom than the shoulder, and it's touching the previous top, it's making a bottom. same as the shoulder pattern, and it's touching the previous top. And by joining this line, it's called a neckline. When neckline is broken by the candle, you have to go for a buy. This is a positional trade. If it's shoulder, taken a 15 days to come here, so same 15 days will be taken to touch the height of the shoulders, and height of the shoulder should be your first target, and height of the shoulder should be your first stop loss. Shorting the future, it's shorting the future, and yes, that is the only one thing that you can do in a head and shoulder pattern, and then you have to cover it by shorting the call. Two-way you have to trade, shorting the future and shorting the call, or shorting the future, buying the put. This way you have to protect. One-sided call is always a risky, so always do the hedging. So when you are shorting a future, short the call. Shorting the future, then you have to short the put, and shorting the future, buy the call. Reverse trade you always required when you are going for a positional trade, because all this having accuracy of 80 to 90%. Now cup and handle pattern. The stock was falling from last many days, then stock start rising up, and it touched the previous high. After the previous high, it's make a low of one third of the height of the cup, and then the stock start rising up. The stock start rising up, and it's touching the previous high. And when this level is broken by the body, you can expect the stocks will go up. First, it will the first target should be the height of the cup, and height of the cup should be your stop loss. When that target is achieved, then move the trailing stop loss to buy price. Then height of the cup should be your second target. If from here to here, if it's taken a 2 month, then you have to wait for the 2 months to get the same target. So when this level was broken 1185, right now it's trading at 1485. The call was given to the free channel, even to the students who were old. Right now it's trading around 1485, 1470. So based on cup and shoulder pattern, these are the positional trade. Only flag and pole pattern and other pattern we will see, they are swing trade. Otherwise cup and handle pattern and head and shoulder patterns are for positional trade. Let's check if anything we are able to find, and then we will see. We will have a 6 minutes, and in the 6 minutes we will see if we can find out anything, and then after we will take a break. 9:05 we will end at 9:10, and we will start at 9:15. We will end at 9:10, and then we will start at 9:15, so that the recording will happen. Now we have to change today, and then we require a candlesticks. I don't require any moving averages. Okay. Now yes, it's forming inverse cup and handle. Okay, it's forming the inverse cup and handle. Let's I see. I will. From here to here. Okay. All patterns can be formed by inverse also. We see a flag and pole on the upside. The same thing can be happen on the downside. This is near to 1/3 or 40%. Okay, the level, it's this is my level, and now I required what is this level? It's 860, and what is this level? It's 920. That is a 60 point. This is broken. This did not touch the stop loss. What is 850? And it's made 800. So it's near to the first target. near to the first target achieved. How many days? So it was near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So same day what I told that how many days is taken? It's taken 9 days. Same thing, it's taken in 9 days. This is the first time saying I'm preparing the cup and handle pattern on the Titan chart. This is just came to my on my eye. So it's touched the handle and still it is the bottom, and this can be a stop loss based on the Mohammed. First of all, again I'm repeating, this is the stock was rising from last many days, then stock start falling up. So okay, so it's formed a cup. The stock should rise 30% up, then again it's made 30% up, it's down the 30% down, and it's at the previous bottom. It's broken. This is my stop loss. What should be target? From here to here, this is my target. What is this? 860 and it's 824, that is 63 point. It's broken. 858, it made around 800, so 58 point. So this is missed by 5 point. The first target is already being achieved by when this is broken. This should be your stop loss. How many days taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 11. We will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 11th day. Exact 11th day. It was touching the 799. So please understand the importance of the days. Okay, now it is 858. From here you can count this many days. This many days can be taken, and if it's breaking the level 997 and it's around 859, so 859, so 996, 857, this near about 130 point we can get. If it's again it's breaking this, it's already broken our support. So tomorrow, how many days? It's more than a 1 month. It's more than a 1.5 month. In a 1.5 month, we can expect a target fall in Titan near about 150, 130 point from this level. We can expect based on this price analysis. Okay, we will change it here again. Titan. What is cup and handle? Cup and handle formation. Okay, so we are selling below sell below 859 right now. The stop loss, the stop loss is very big, is 925 for target. This is for our testing purpose. Again 799, you will see. This is the cup and handle pattern. Then we have less than 1 minute. The meeting will end. The cup and handle pattern and head and shoulder pattern is for positional hold. It will for 1 month to 2 months. Okay, it will for 1 month for 2 months. The training will end in 1 minute. We will start at 9:15 again with the same price pattern analysis. So now we will taking a break of 5 minutes. Then we will start at 9:15. The recording will happen, and I will share recording again tomorrow by evening. See you at 9:15.